Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just want to get a real quick look on these Chinese New Year ones that I caught, and then we'll come back and do another video and get a real quick in-depth look on these joints. As you can see, this was an overseas release. They didn't release in the US. I would say if you're thinking about copying these joints, you might want to do it quick because the prices are going up as we speak. It took a while for these to get here. It's like a slow boat to the islands. And yes, I know I'm going to hear it. My disclaimer, you don't like Jordan 1s, but you seem to happen to have a lot of them, right? See, that's neither here nor there. Like I said, Chinese New Year was a couple weeks ago. So you can see this nice box there. Got a lot of dope materials in here. I forgot what the year. I think it's the year of the ox. I think because I see a lot of oxes on this shoe. You got this little cushy pushy tassel around it. All of that nice stuff. Like I said, it's not gonna be a quick one, maybe 2 minutes. Do a spin around so you can get the gist of it. Got a lot, like I said, different materials, satin, nylon, much more different than your usual Jordan 1. So you got a lot going on. I don't know about that little, like I said, tassel in the back, but you let me know your initial quick thoughts on these. Leave a comment suggestion below. Welcome everybody. If you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Thank you for being a part of the Money Squad as we trying to make this thing to 10K. So other than that, like I said, just get over close and personal view. Thanks for all the love and support, and we will be coming back with a more in-depth view, and maybe we might actually even do an on feet. I'm out. Peace.